Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download a free video editor to enable you to create your first ad for your online business. So typically, if you're using a MacBook or if you're using any other HP or any other device that is not a MacBook, usually they have their own video editor installed. So you can use that if you feel comfortable. But if you don't have a video editor, what I suggest you do is you type in VN video editor, just like I have. And we're going to look for the video editor from, I think, a company called Filmora. So what we're going to do is going to click this tab over here. Look for Filmora.wondershare.com. Make sure you use that. And what we are going to proceed to do is we are going to download this video editor onto our desktop. And I think there's options for Mac and non-Mac users. So it should look like this. So all you're going to do is just click download. And now I'm going to show you how it looks like, so to ensure that you have the right VN video editor. What we're essentially looking for is an app that looks like this. Then I'll show you how it looks. We'll just go on new project. And you want it looking like this. So this is VN. If we want to just get your demo stock, so for instance, I'm just gonna, you have to upload your stock here. You just drag and drop, just like that. And everything on the bottom here, your special effects. So if you want to do transitions or anything like that, if you want to trim, we're not going to go into that much detail, but in the next video, I'm going to actually show you how to operate this tool as we build. So you can snip there, you can delete. See, the transitions are there. We can add sound. So when we click music, drag and drop to here. And let's just see what happens when we play. So let's put it all together, let's see what happens. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So it's very nice. And then on the top left here, so the text. So if you want to just embed text somewhere in a special place. So this is where the transitions and the copy come into play, especially if we're operating from the GPT script. So for instance, we just click here, we go edit, this heading. Nice, you can drag and drop. This is a heading. So now we'll show, you can come here and see and change how long you want the heading to show. You can also, on the right here, change the template. You can change the font. So as we see over here, you can change the color, the heading. So we have a lot of operational control in terms of how we want to maneuver, alignment, and all that. Yeah, so essentially this is the VN video editor, and I will just show you how we maybe create the first part of the script of ChatGPT, what a tongue twister that, and hopefully I'll show you enough so that you will know how to edit and create your own add creative for your product that you're selling on your WordPress website. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.